Now I'm going to show you what are the problems we can face while using scopes. So I have made a small change here. I'm going to push some module again into the navigation stack. There's one more thing which I want to mention. Previous and new module will have the same runtime type, right? Now let's go to some module, next page, and again some module. So we have got this error. You have already used the scope name some module. To fix this, we should always first check whether the scope is registered or not before registering any scope. For this we can use hasScope method, and here we can pass the identifier. So here our identifier is some module, right? Now let's rerun the application. Let's go to some module, next page, and again some module. So we have solved this error, but there's one more error, and that error will only arrive if you are going to use Navigator 2.0, Go Router, or Auto Route, or anything which is related to Navigator 2.0. As we know, Navigator 2.0 only renders the page which is in the view. So we have that module, and we have pushed a new module of same runtime type, right? It initially registered the scope, and at the second time it skipped the scope registration. But now when we are going to remove the new module from the navigation stack, it will call the dispose, and that dispose is going to call the pop scope. Now the scope is removed from the memory. Now the Navigator 2.0 is going to render the previous module into the view. Now the getit is not able to find dependencies A and B. Now it's going to give us the error. To solve this error, what you can do, you can use unique identifier for both of these modules, and if both of these modules are going to share a same dependency, we can register that dependency using reference counting. So to register a dependency using reference counting, we can use register singleton if absent. So it will register B with the reference counting. It will only register B when we are going to push the previous module, and after that it will only increase the count, right? This is how you can solve all the errors which can arrive while using scopes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.